Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The daughter-in-law of Bani Hashim is no more.
I am entrusting you to the one, true God.
When the Jews were looking for a place to reside in, and God gave them glad tidings. Did he tell you that this land, in its entirety, belonged to you? And that they were not inhabited before you? We have received dreadful news from Mecca, Samuel. The Jewish traders have been banned from carrying out any business. Do you see this as positive for the Jews? Our religion does not see business as an aim to earn personal wealth, but rather as a mean to uplift the entire community. And in order for this to happen, there needs to be cooperation with other communities. Your egos are dangerous and must be tamed before they destroy the entire community. Your own ego and that of the ones who is feeding it. The one who throws rocks towards sky will get them back on his head. Do not wear the name of a god who you don't fear on your clothes.
Abu Talib, father.
Muhammad.
The polytheists, to perform the ritual of the Age of Ignorance, circle around the Kaaba. They had mixed up this ancient practice with polytheism and idolatry. However, we, in accordance to the legacy of Abraham and his religion, still perform Hajj.